Performing assemblies on the Acctivate Android app can take your efficiency to new levels. To get started, log into Acctivate and select Assemblies in the main menu. Here you can tap to create a new assembly from your device, or you can select from a list of the saved draft assembly sessions. When creating a session, you can enter in the assembly product quantities or details. If opening an existing session, you can click the pencil icon next to the assembly product to view or change the transaction information, including its lot number and lot details. Likewise, when creating or viewing an assembly session, you'll be able to view and manage components. For this assembly product, I need 5 pounds of the component Colombian whole beans. Selecting the component shows me I need a total of 5 pounds and a unit quantity of 1.25 pounds per assembly unit. For lot or serial controlled components, scan lot numbers or use the lookup to select the lot or serial number used. Use the up or down arrows to move to the previous or next component, or tap the check mark to return to the component detail screen. From here, if you're ready to save or post the assembly session, tap the check mark. You have the option to save and post, or split this transaction. Splitting allows you to post some now and some later. I'll choose the option to save and post, but before posting, I'll update the workflow status to be completed. Finally, I'll tap on the check mark to submit the assembly. As you can see, the session has been posted and removed from the list. We hope you enjoy Acctivate Android assemblies.